Special machine for removing carbon deposits. HTS558 fuel system cleaning tool is a special machine for cleaning the carbon deposits on the intake pipe and the back of the intake valve of the automobile engine, which can deeply remove the high viscosity carbon deposits on the intake manifold and intake and exhaust valves. After cleaning, the engine can be kept in a healthy state and ensure the efficient operation of the engine. Simultaneous injection and recovery Walnut blaster special machine for cleaning the back of the engine intake pipe and intake valve. After closing the intake valve, the walnut sand is sprayed into the engine air intake through the air pump, not included, and the HTS558 recovers the walnut sand through vacuum. Because these two operations form a closed loop, walnut powder will affect the carbon deposition on the inner wall of the intake pipe. Why choose walnut sand? Cleaning carbon deposits will reduce the air-fuel ratio, reduce engine output, increase fuel consumption, and cause great damage to the engine. When the combustion in the engine is not sufficient, some hydrocarbon olefin residues will adhere to the engine intake port and cylinder, and the residues on the engine intake port and cylinder will become carbon deposits under the action of high temperature. High quality material to avoid